Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable profile view on TikTok application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile, tap on this profile button, and on this profile menu, we can tap on this three lines button. And here we can select settings and privacy and go to the privacy setting, and you can scroll down until you find profile views option, this one. Tap on this option, and here you can disable your profile view. You can tap on the circle button to turn it off. Okay, but as a consequence, you won't be able to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And alright guys, that's how we can disable profile view on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.